We are gathered here today in the sight of God, in the presence of friends and loved ones, to celebrate one of life's greatest moments. We are here to give recognition to the beauty of love
As we're gathered here today, celebrating this beautiful union, we can see clearly the love they have for one another and the beautiful life ahead of them.
You are the most beautiful woman I've ever laid eyes on, but it was your heart and the way you care for those around you that made me fall in love with you. I vow to be your confidant, your support, and your best friend. I will be your shoulder to cry on, your hand to hold, and your arms to embrace.
Andrew, from the moment you came into my life, became my greatest blessing and my safest place. You're my favorite thought in the morning and my last prayer at night. I'll choose you today, I'll choose you tomorrow, and I'll keep choosing you for the rest of my life. I love you for the way you protect and take care of me, for the way you do silly dances in the living room with me, and for the way you can calm me even in the midst of pure chaos.
I'll be your dance partner for life. I also vow to be vulnerable with you, to share my thoughts and emotions and let you know when I'm in need of a shoulder. I vow to love you to the moon and back, or Mars, or however far humanity might travel in our lifetime.
Did you guess?
It looks pretty.
I'll always love you enough to get us back to where we started. Every day I'm with you is a reminder of what a mighty God we serve, that I could be so lucky to have found someone so right for me to walk through life with. In our marriage, I vow to honor God, to honor you, and to honor the family we will create together above all else.
I promise to be your loudest cheerleader, your most honest sounding board, and the first to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. I vow to stand beside you through every high and every low, to love you with patience and with laughter, and to keep building a life with you that feels like home. I vow to support your dreams as if they were my own, to listen with an open heart, and to speak with kindness, even in moments of challenge, and to keep falling in love with you more deeply as the years pass. Today and every day forward, I am yours, fully, fiercely, and forever.
Andrew, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, and I am choosing to share my life's journey with you. I give you this ring with the pledge to love you today, tomorrow, and always. May you never steal, lie, or cheat. And if you must lie, lie with me all the nights of my life.
Sydney, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, and I am choosing to share my life's journey with you. I give you this ring with the pledge to love you today, tomorrow, and always. May you never steal, lie, or cheat. But if you must steal, then steal away my sorrows. And if you must lie, then lie with me all the nights of my life.
Andrew and Sydney, because you have exchanged your vows before God and these witnesses, have pledged your commitment to one another, have declared the same by joining hands and by exchanging rings, and having executed the marriage license, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Those whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder. And now for your first kiss as a married couple.
Oh, we're standing
was an absolutely beautiful wedding, and there's so much love in this room thanks to the two of you and your wonderful families. This union is very dear to my heart because I've had the privilege to be best friends with both Sydney and Andrew.
So it's just been such a blessing to see your all's relationship and the way that you love and respect each other. It's such a beautiful example of what marriage should be. So let's raise a glass to Andrew and Sydney, to the woman that he could not live without. Cheers.
Sydney and Andrew are both extremely thoughtful, considerate, loving, kind, intelligent, and they can also both put anyone in their place and tell them off. Sydney and Andrew, thank you for trusting me to take a chance on one another. I love you both so much, and I'm so grateful for your friendships. So if everyone can raise their glass, cheers to Mr. and Mrs. Cleary, wishing them a lifetime of love and happiness.